Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Jessica Tonovec, and to my returning subscribers, welcome back guys. So I will say my name in Slovak. Ahoj, volám sa Jessica Tonovec. So guys, in today's video I will be doing a makeup, not full face anyway, just an eye look. Yes, it's a Somerset matte cut crease. Yes, so I decided to do something different. It's not going to be a full makeup look. I'll just do the eyes and I'll do my remaining makeup off camera. Yes, so please do me a huge favor and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notification when I put a new video, and also like, share and comment. Alright guys, so let's get started. Promise that you never be lonely. From my brows off camera because I don't want this look to be too much. Yes, so I'm gonna conceal my eyes with this LA Care Pro concealer. I'm going to conceal my eyes. I'm using this my mirror. It helps me like look very well on my eyes. Like I did a review. I'm gonna put the video somewhere so you guys go check it out. I'm gonna use this brush. It's just a random brush I got from Junior, just to blend this out. I normally do like a voice note, but today I like to play just. So guys, today's outfit, I did a review about this outfit. I'm gonna put it somewhere in the card so you guys go check it out. Like the lady was doing like a discount, she was doing a clearance sales, and I got so many designer outfits for just 1K. Like I was super excited when I stumbled upon her shop. Like I do follow her on Instagram, so I went out to get something and I decided to like let me go and see what she has, and I was so lucky that they did a discount. Yeah, you'll be asking why am I always using this palette? Just it's because the color are so beautiful. Like so much love the color on this palette. I'm going to review again, but I'm not going to use it on it. I'm going to use a different palette along the way. This is Makeup Revolution by Patricia Bright. I love like the pigment. Yeah, the pigment in the palette is so juicy. Like it's so rich, and the palette is rich. So it's so rich in color. So I'm going to be using just the orange shade here, which is called Yes Peach. Just this orange shade, that's what I'm going to be taking from this palette. Oops. Just orange. Like guys, let me just show you guys why I love this palette, because I think I need to buy other palettes and do a review. See, just orange shade. Orange and yeah. So I am just tapping this. I'm using this brush. Does not have any number or any name. I always get like when I see a brush on a website, then I like it. I shop on Jumia for my makeup brushes, so I just ordered it and it always come out nice. So guys, I decided to do a voice note because there was noise when I'm editing, as I'm editing this video. So I'm using Mac 2234 brush to take that yellow shade, just to blend the orange and the yellow together. Yeah guys, I know I said this is not the only palette I'll be using, but I could not resist. The shade, everything in this palette is just giving me so much vibe that I could not resist not to use it. So I'm going back with the orange. I'm going back and front with the orange just to get that place look really like, you know, sunset. It's sunset. So I decided to try this palette, but it was not giving me what I want, so I decided to cut my crease and to see if it's gonna apply very well. So I am cutting my crease right now, just the way I normally do that, gently, and make sure everything is even. So I've cut the both side of my crease. So this is where we'll start applying the brown shade. Yeah, so I went back with Juvia's Space palette, the brown there, and it was not really coming out the way I wanted it to come out, so I had to switch back to Patricia Bright's palette. So I took the brown in the palette.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed.
Sorry guys, my throat is dry. Yeah, so I went back again with the orange and went back again with the yellow, so that they will not fall asleep. Their eyes will be up. So I'm gonna put glitter, yes, because when I was doing this I was not liking it the way it was. So I'm gonna put glitter on my eyes. So I use my setting spray to put my glitter. Guys, if you don't have glitter glue, you can use your setting spray to put your glitter and it will stay. I am serious. So I pour my setting spray inside the cup of the setting spray, and I'll dip my brush inside. I use like a tiny brush. I'll dip it inside the setting spray, then I will dip my brush inside the glitter, and I will apply that. It really stays, guys. Like this really stays and it works. If you have done that before, let me know in the comment section if it works for you, but it works so good for me because I don't have glitter glue. Yeah, so guys, I kept on doing that. I make sure that I got the line, a very straight line. Then I went back with a lighter, very light shade. Not really shade, I'll just call it is the same color with my powder. Yes, just lighter brown, just to make the concealed area to pop out a bit. Then now I am drawing a wing line, a little bit dramatic wing line. One of the eyes was really nice, the other eyes was not so good, but I later set everything out. Now we're using Maybelline mascara to pop out those lashes, those mini lashes I have. Lashes, we're going to be using this Lash by Wendy. I did a review. I'm going to pop it somewhere here. So this is what the lashes looks like. Sorry, it's upside down. I'm just trying to show you guys the name. This is what her look looks like. Then this one is just crease like on the inside. So I'm gonna pop this on my eyes and put it right back. I did not use the other lashes because it was kind of too bogus for this look. Like it was covering the whole look. So I used this other one, which I named this one neutral. That one I named that one bad girl. The first one. So this one I named this one neutral. So yeah, I'll do the rest of my makeup and I'll be back. This is my final look of the eyes. What do you guys think of it? Please let me know in the comment section. Please do make sure and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notification when I upload a new video, and also like, share and comment, guys. So this is a very, you can see it's a very old wig, so I just decided to wear it. I've not worn it for a while. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Ahoy! Ciao!
Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely.